Punjab, a dynamic and vibrant state of India, the fertile land through which 5 rivers flow, is known for fun-loving, warm-hearted and generous people. The Punjabis are risk-taking people. During the British Raj, the brave people of Punjab joined the British Army and fought on different war fronts in the 2 world wars. Many stayed back in foreign lands and made it big. After independence, Punjabis migrated to foreign countries including USA and Canada. In spite of staying in distant lands for many years, they did not sever their ties with the land of their origin, and they were regularly in touch with their families back home in the villages of Punjab. They contributed a lot in the development of their villages. I want to introduce to you one such gentleman who left his village Lopon in Moga district of Punjab after doing his degree in engineering in the 1960s. He started working in the automobile factory of Henry Ford in Dearborn, Michigan, United States of America, and rose to the position of manager. Yes, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Baldev Dhaliwal and his wife Carrie, who migrated to USA in their prime youth and made a wonderful future in the land of opportunities. After working for Henry Ford Company for more than 3 decades, they settled down in a beautiful village called Nova near Dearborn. Dhaliwal family did not forget their roots. They started a community library in their village, Lopon, in the year 2011. This library is a focal point for a lot of developmental activities which is taking place in their village. A lot of young people from different schools of the surrounding area come there to read and participate in educational activities. Mr. Dhaliwal has played a very important role in the development of his village. Every year he comes to his village to celebrate the annual day of the library. This year we were fortunate to be part of that celebration where students and villagers from the surrounding villages were part of the celebration. The enthusiastic gathering of the people from the villages and the students from the adjoining villages participated in the book exhibition which was held on this occasion. A lot of cultural programs were held, inter-school declamation contest, speech writing and painting competitions were organized.
ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਜੋ ਵੀਰੋ ਸਾਡਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਹੈ ਸੁੱਤਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਗਾਉਣਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਗਣਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਸੌਣਾ ਇਨਕਲਾਬ ਜਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ
आज रविवार है तोते को बिखार है तोता गया बाग में था डॉक्टर ने लगाई सुई तोता बोला उई उई उई।
मेरी जिंदगी ਵਿੱਚ 2 ਬੰਦੇ ਆਏ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਦਕਾ ਇਹ ਲਾਇਬ੍ਰੇਰੀ ਬਣੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ। प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर जसवंत सिंह ਤੇ प्रोफेसर अमरजीत सिंह ਦੀ देन है।
बड़ी खुशी हुई है यहाँ आके, वो जो आपका जो जज्बा देखा मैंने और जिस तरह से जिस सादगी से और जिस प्यार से ये समागम हो रहा है, ये प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, तो उससे मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने का मौका मिला।
सफाई करो जिते किते गल देखा ओनू लेके उठ के किसी चीज विजिट हो।
Professor Amarjit Singh, former professor of English and Journalism, Punjab Agricultural University, Ludhiana, was one of the main person who spoke on the occasion.
मैं ये गल कहूँगा कि भी तुसी बड़े खुशकिस्मत हो, ऐसी जी अच्छी लाइब्रेरी थानों पिंड च अवेलेबल है
इतने किताबां बहुत अच्छी हैं सर बड़े अंग्रेजी पढ़ाई आ मेरे स्टूडेंट थोड़े को डॉक्टर गुरजिंदर पनवार बैठे हैं और भी है
Mr. Dhariwal welcomed Mr. Bunty Bains, the famous Punjabi singer who was the chief guest on this occasion.
ਛੋਟਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇ ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਤੁਸੀਂ YouTube ਤੇ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਬੜਾ ਇਕੱਠ ਹੁੰਦਾ 10-10 15-15000 ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੀਰੋ ਹਾਂ, ਸਾਰੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਥ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ ਕਰਦਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਸੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਪਿਆਰ।
We organized a media literacy and orientation workshop for the surrounding schools in Guru Gobind Singh Senior Secondary School of Lopong. It was a wonderful experience interacting with the youth, the young students of the secondary level who participated in this workshop.
Yes, Mike, today I'm here in Nagpur enjoying a great test match between Pakistan and New Zealand. There's a great match between them. New Zealand has a leading hand. Their captain McCallum is in a great form today. Because of, I think, he promised in the last match, in the next test match, they want to win. And the weather today is also great for the match. We cameraman Jaskaran from Wi-Fi Samiksha. Thank you.
This 2-day celebration on 28th and 29th of November was a real experience for our team. We covered almost the entire program and all the aspects of village life in Punjab.